First day of kindergarten. Lydia, they said you didn't do the Pledge of Allegiance because you didn't want to say one nation under God.
I don't have to.
You don't have to? Is it a religious thing or is it a government thing?
It's a religious thing.
It's a religious thing? You don't want to be religious? You're only for the earth?
I know, but I am the earth. I'm special.
You are the earth. You are special. You're one with Gaia. I love you. Please follow directions though.
Okay.
So if the teacher tells you to put your pencil down.
Are you supposed to be at work?
I am supposed to be at work. I'm going to work now. But listen, I know that you think you're one with the earth, but you still need to do what the teacher says, okay? That doesn't excuse you from class assignments, all right, baby girl? Love you. Have a good day. Bye, Lydia.